How to fix CS2 fatal error failed to connect with local stream client process. For this first step, you need to open up stream, click library option, click CS2, click properties, click install file, click verify integrity of the game file, and wait for a couple of seconds to verify entire game files. If there is any issue, it will rectify it. It's verifying the CS2 game files. Be patient, wait for a couple of seconds. Once complete after, it will throw up the pop-up successfully validate. After that, we move on with next step. We successfully validated. You have seen now. After completing this, move on with next step. Clear Steam download cache. For this, click Steam, click settings, click download settings, scroll down and click clear download cache. Click clear cache and click confirm. Once you confirm after, it will come outside of the Steam. Again, you need to log in and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for CS2 and make sure you should enable in both private and public, and Steam it should enable in both private and public. Both Steam and the CS2 should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click allow another app, click browse, and you can add it. For easy method, come outside, open file location of the Steam, copy the address in the top side. You have seen the top side have address, copy it, come back, click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Once you're getting after, scroll down and click the application and click add. I already have, so I skip it. You need to add and click OK. Once complete after, close it and come to next step, repair stream services. For this, right click stream, open file location, copy the address, copy it, click OK, search for run and type the following address here, and in backside you can put slash repair and click OK and wait for repair to finish. Once complete after, you need to open up properties, click compatibility, click run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. This is how to fix it. Thank you.